Welcome to SS Mama Kitchen. Today special dal fry. Subscribe please. www.facebook.com SS Mama Kitchen. Preparation ingredients use a split yellow pulse and a split red pulse, both 150 grams. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon, but as per ratio. Chopped onion 1 number and green chili 2 to 3 number. Tomato 1 number chopped. Garlic 4 to 5 number cut into a small pieces. Mix pulse washed by water. Add water 1 by 2 medium size mug in cooker. And add washed mixed pulse in cooker. It is the process of dal fry. Next add turmeric powder. Add salt. Close the cooker and cook at medium flame for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon mustard oil for dal fry. Add garlics. Again add chopped onion and green chili cut pieces. Mixing well for fry. Mix and fry. Mix well at low flame. Mix and fry till ingredients become red brown. Add chopped tomato. It is a process of dal fry. There wait that all the ingredients including tomato cooked. Then we add the dal. Mix and fry well. Cook the dal. For mixing and frying well, it is also called fry dal. Mix well with fried ingredients. Cook at medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is ready, tasty dal fry. It is simple method to make dal fry. Thank you from SS Mama Kitchen. For more updates, visit please our Facebook page.